Facebook dynamic ads. So in this video, I will walk you through and take you from A to Z how to set up a Facebook dynamic ads in 2018 and 2019, because a lot of Facebook keeps changing all the algorithms and stuff, how to create a Facebook dynamic ads. So whether if you have e-commerce website, or if you have real estate, you selling homes, or if you car dealership owner, or you want to set up Facebook ads, dynamic ads for car dealerships, this is video for you, and this is going to be a full complete tutorial that after watching this video you will know everything about Facebook dynamic ads, and you will be able to set yourself these ads and then run them. So before we get into how to set up them, for those of you who don't know what is Facebook dynamic ads, I want to give a quick overview. So the Facebook dynamic ads, it's everyone's seen that after you went to the website, and based on a specific action that you took on a website, you were viewing specific product, whether it's e-commerce business, or if you went to the car dealership website and you were looking on a specific car that you were wanted to buy. Then after you go on Facebook, you've probably seen these ads, whether it's Carousel ad or one ad, picture image ad, when they retarget you immediately with the products you were looking on, searching on their website. So these are the Facebook dynamic ads, and to set up those, you need to have a Facebook pixel on your website, and we'll talk about this in a second during this video. So with Facebook dynamic ads, the benefit of that you set them up, you have your product catalog, and then it's automatically retargeting, remarketing to people, and it helps you increase your conversions and take them back to your website and take action to purchase your product, or to schedule an appointment or a call with if it's different type of business. So with that being said, I want to show you the first step that we need to take is catalog. We need to create a catalog, and as you see right now on the screen, we are in the ads manager. So number one, I want to go with you right now and step by step create that. So number one, what you need to do, you need to click on here on ads and go to all tools, and then go to catalogs. So then you're going to click on catalogs, and it will open for us a page where you see I have a few catalogs I was creating and practicing for, but I want to show you right now, if you did not have created any catalogs yet, it will prompt you to create a catalog. So I'll do it with you, and the next step, you will just go and click on create catalog right here on a blue button. You click on that, and based in which niche you are in different category, you can create different dynamic ads. For example, if you have e-commerce store, this is you will choose this option. If you have a traveling website that people were searching for a specific hotels or vacation options on your website, this is option for you. If you're a real estate agent, this is option for you, where you can list the homes that you're selling, and then automatically retarget with these ads. And if you're a car dealership owner, or you're just running ads for car dealerships, this option for us. So in this video, I will be specifically showing you for auto dealers, for auto industry, but is the same exact principle, the exact technique and strategy works for any of these. So as you see, if you go with e-commerce, and if you're already using Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, Google, it will be even easier for you because it's already more automatic and easier. But I want to go with about auto and for car dealership, because this is probably the hardest way to set up the dynamic ads. So we're gonna choose for auto. Then you're gonna click next, and then here you're gonna give a catalog name. We're gonna say new catalog auto. And here, who owns this catalog is just your business manager that you created ads. So after that, you just click on create right here, and then it says catalog created. So next step, you're gonna click on whether view all catalogs, or you're gonna click on view catalog. We're gonna click on that, and this is the actual catalog, like a menu. Let me actually walk you through this menu so we'll have a better understanding, and that will help you in future create these ads in this catalog. So basically, as you see, this is our catalog. So there's 3 steps we need to take in order to be able to create these ads after that. So first step is add vehicles. So what we're gonna do is, as you see, there's 3 steps. And first step, and after that I'll explain for you guys every tab, like vehicles, vehicle sets, all these tabs, so you would know exactly everything what is going on in there. So the first step, again, we're gonna add vehicles. So you're gonna click on add vehicles, and here's, you see, there's 2 options. Basically, you can use follow a step-by-step guide, and if you click here, it opens a tab right here on the right. And I mean, here's not a lot of information that you can use. You can troubleshoot in some stuff, but overall, it's not really helpful, because honestly, when I was searching for videos, for guidance, and Google and stuff like that, and I had a big problem with uploading pictures. And actually, in this video, I will show you also how to upload picture, because I've seen so many people commenting on other videos about this type of ads, how to upload picture. And this is very crucial, because then your ads are not showing the right way. So also by the end of this video, I'll show you how to do that. So again, the next step here, again, you would need to download the CSV template, where you will put every single vehicle on the template. And I will show you an example right now of this template. So you're just gonna click on download CSV template. After you download this template, it's gonna look just like this one. Actually, this is, I believe, the template that Facebook gives you, and it looks just like this. So after you click download, this is where you get the Excel file. And now, what you need to do here, it's very simple. So depending on, as you see on these columns A, B, C, D, vehicle ID, title, then description, and I'll explain right now how important this, and that actually you don't need to use all of these columns. So you don't need to fill out every single column in this template. You can actually get, what I usually do, I get rid of at least at price by price. So we just do like that, click delete, and then VIN, I don't usually I delete this VIN number, and fuel type, transmission right here. So all we need is price, and image URL. This we're gonna input our image, and that's pretty much it. And here is title, description, URL for the vehicle on your website, model, also year, and mileage. And I'll show you right now the example that we're gonna use for this video. I don't want to save this. So this is the template we're gonna use. Actually, I have this already open. So right here, as we see, I'm gonna use Mercedes car and image and everything. I have these columns right here. I just did not delete, but we can delete. It doesn't really matter. But it just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna use this one. But it works the exact same way. So after that, after you pretty much what you want to do, you want to fill out all this spreadsheet with all vehicles that you have on your client website. So if your car dealership has 20 vehicles, 30, 50, 100, you will put every single vehicles on this spreadsheet, fill out make, model, year, mileage, and also the most important is image. And then here's actually is going to be a description right here. Vehicle ID, the name of vehicle, also title and description. These are these 3 the most important, and then URL also important, but pretty much first 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 columns are the most important till J. And I'll explain right now why. Because these columns, this is exactly what your the ad will show on Facebook. This is what will people see, and I will show you right now exactly how it's going to look like. So basically, these are I usually fill out till column J. So you want to fill out all your vehicles, and then if you're if you updating the inventory of your car dealership every week, every 2 weeks, you would need to upload and update the spreadsheet as well. So after you fill out your spreadsheet, the next step you're gonna do, you will go click here on, we're gonna go back on catalog and click upload once. And after that, you're gonna just drag this, your file, CSV file, drag right here. And it says everything is okay, is supported a file. After that, you're gonna scroll down and you just, the vehicle name is just for your person, you can say the date and auto, okay? Currency, and after that you will click on start upload, and it says, as you see, it takes usually 5 to 10 seconds to upload your file. Make sure that everything is correct, that you and normally if you made a mistake, Facebook will tell you and walk you through that, but everything right here, as you see, is done. After that, we'll click done. And right now we just made a first step, so we just uploaded our vehicle. So now let me walk you through and the next step. Here's your next step is drive more people to website or app. You need to create a collection ad, but it depends on you if you want to to create an ad campaign in traffic objective. But I usually skip this. You can do that, but I usually skip that. All you need to do is connect event source. So event source, you need to have a Facebook pixel on your client website. So if you have already your pixel installed on your client website, you would just choose your pixel right here. Make sure that the pixel is under your business manager, and then after that, click save. And it says, okay, this pixel connected to new catalog auto. After we connected our Facebook pixel, we will be able to create now ads that will retarget people who search for a specific car or depending on the product that you had. So next step, I want to just show you and give you like overview of here of the tabs, so you would know exactly what to expect. So this is the tab we are in, is diagnostics. So these are we just made a first step. We added vehicles. You can always add more, so don't worry about that. Here's we just talk about drive more people if you want to create a traffic campaign, and also connect catalog to event sources to your pixel, what we just did. So next step, next tab is vehicles. So these are, as I was showing you, I have just one vehicle inside the spreadsheet. So here would be, if you have more vehicles, if you have 10, 20, 50, they are all gonna be showing up here. This is the big thing, image is not showing here, but it will inside the ad, because I've tested this, and for some reason Facebook has some type of glitching and stuff like that, but the image is working. But I've seen a lot of people having trouble with uploading image right here to spreadsheet. And this is, guys, I want to share with you, because this is very, very important. And if you're missing out this step, your ads, there will not be image. So this is exactly what I've done. I'm sure there are better ways to do that. And if you guys know, please let me know in the comment how you can do it differently, because it's all about image hosting websites, and I could not figure it out. It literally took me 2 hours to find a way how to make image properly show up, because Facebook was giving a lot of mistakes, and that they couldn't detect the image. So if you know what I'm talking about, who knows that knows. So if you know the other way, please let me know, and I'll show you what I've done, and that's worked for me. So basically the idea is to have image opening like that. As you see, it just have image opening on one tab, and then you can copy this URL, full URL, and upload to your CSV right here. This is the only one way Facebook accepts and can detect your image, and you can then, after, it's going to be showing on your ads. Any other way, as I tested a Google Drive, if you just upload on different image hosting websites, if you just take this URL and put it on your in your spreadsheet, it will not work. So I tested a bunch of again image hostings websites and stuff like that, and it didn't work. I was using even Google Drive and a bunch of others. It does not work. The only one way that the URL that works should be like, as you see, it's just one tab, and then you can open. So how did I do that? I just simply went to my Upwork profile, and I remember I've noticed if you know drop the picture here to someone messages conversation, and then after you click on this image, it opens a new tab, and this is the only URL you can use. So I'm sure there's way easier way to do that, but this is what I figured out. So instead of spamming your friends or whatever on Upwork and sending them a picture, or maybe someone doesn't even have a profile on Upwork. So if you know, again guys, let me know what is the better way to get to this, where you can use this URL, because this is the only one way how when Facebook detects when it displays the image in your ad. So after you've done that, I just wanted to show you that. So after that, here's other options. There's sell price. This is basically all columns from our spreadsheet right here. Model, that's everything that you can fill out in your spreadsheet if you want to show in your ad. So next, vehicle set. We can create a vehicle set, but also we can do it here. And so what is vehicle set? So basically this is, we can give it here, and this is basically if for example, let's give an example for someone who wants to do for e-commerce. So here we can give a vehicle set, let's say it's Mercedes W463, and then right here what we can do, we can choose the column from columns that is going to be showing in our ad from our spreadsheet. As you see here, body style, city, condition, and also is everything available as well here. So basically, a vehicle set, if you create, it also allows us to, for example, if someone went on a website and you want to upsell them, or you want to cross-sell them, or they didn't purchase, I'm talking right now about e-commerce, if they did not purchase your product, so here you can create different vehicle sets based on people who are clicked on purchase button, but clicked on add to cart button, sorry, and then they didn't purchase. So here you can create different different sets based on action that that visitors or customers take on your website. So this is the thing. Just for our example, I want to show you that my vehicle set already exists. So I just want to show you and explain what it is. And then vehicle data source. This is the exact. There are spreadsheet that we uploaded. So it's right here. And events data sources. These are pixel and all settings. You can rename your catalog here. So also is your business manager, your pixel if you that you need to connect, I was showing you, and other stuff. So after that, now you see this is your ad catalog. It's going to be right here. So next step, we're going to go and create our ad. So you're going to click on Ads Manager, and it's opening. So after you clicked on your Ads Manager, let me choose one of my other accounts because this one is not active. So you're gonna click on Create Ad, and on this menu, you're gonna click on Catalog Sales. This is where we can create our dynamic ads. So this is our objective. Also, you can use traffic objective, as I was telling inside the. If you set up the second option, if you remember 3 steps, but all you need, honestly, if all you need is catalog sales, this is where you start. This is the dynamic ads where we're gonna run. So you're gonna choose the objective catalog sales, give a name of your campaign. It's gonna be a new auto campaign, whatever. You can choose name whatever you want. Here you're gonna choose your catalog. If you have a few, you choose the right. This is our catalog, new catalog after that we created together. Then you click continue. And after that, this is exactly the vehicle set that I was talking about. So here's a few vehicle sets. We have one vehicle set that all vehicles, but we can always create other. Let's say we want to create a vehicle set with just Fords, just cars, Ford model. Then you can create a vehicle set with I don't know if you have Jeeps or if you have based depending on what vehicles are available in your car dealership. So you'll create different vehicle sets. So now after people visit that specific cars, they get retarget with that ad, with that specific car. So based on that, here you can see what people after you choose the vehicle set, you scroll down and you see audience. Here's a little bit different than you usually used to see. Here's audiences include, people who took the following actions, that they search for vehicles in specific time frame, 0 to 30 days. Then if you see view content, if they viewed for vehicle, or if they added to wish list. And then you can also exclude people who took the following actions if they were leads in the past 0 to 30 days. Also, you can adjust this to your preferences. So next step is placements. Usually you want to choose just mobile, and then unclick Instagram, audience network, messenger. Actually, sometimes you can leave on messenger. So that, and if it's like carousel ad, so people see, and feeds. So you can leave. This is the way to go. You can leave feeds and messenger. Okay. After that, you can choose only when connected to Wi-Fi, so people can scroll, see. If it's e-commerce, I highly recommend to check this box. If it's like just for car dealership, you can leave it like that. And here your budget, let's say we're gonna do $10 a day. And next step, we're gonna click continue. And here, as you see, guys, you have three options. You can create a carousel ad, single image ad, or collection. So I suggest to go with carousel, because especially if it's your e-commerce website where you have a bunch of products, or I mean when you have just one product with a lot of the person were looking at this specific product, so you want to here with carousel add all variations of that product. So then it's automatically again dynamic ad retargeting them, and they go scroll all the through all these pictures and they purchase that product. So this is how you remarket and getting them back to take action and buy the product. In our case, it's a car dealership. These for car dealership works both of them, carousel or single image. So in our case, we're going to use carousel. This is how it's going to look like. If you want to add different pictures, because as you see here, just the same picture, because I uploaded just one picture. But if you have one vehicle, different variations of that vehicle, you can just literally upload in your spreadsheet right there, and it will have different pictures. And this is exactly what I also was talking about before, that you see it says 5-speed automatic and it says carbon fiber. So this is the text that Facebook would take from your spreadsheet. As you see, description is carbon fiber, and 5-speed automatic comes from the column title. So you want to make sure this is basically the most, this is important, this is very crucial, because this is what makes people take action. So here should be some very intensive, like a copy that will make them take this action. So for example, if 5-speed automatic, you can say maybe it was a special, maybe it was something that something different in this car that they didn't find in other cars. You want to bullet point like the most key feature of that car that will take them action. So make sure about that, about copy. Also here in the text, basically you can put a text, let's say let's say I'm gonna say you are running out of time, our special ends in 2 days, click shop now and get 20% off. And here you can play with a copy. It was just an example for you. This is what usually e-commerce stores do, because as you see, because this dynamic that retargets and makes you take this action, usually they give you like a coupon code, discounted code or stuff like that. But if it's like for car dealership, you can just say you're on, you're running out of time. Our special ends in a couple of days, so make sure call us now. You can say here, and or schedule call us now, and then you can say your number, you know, just like that, and then it automatically will retarget them and make them call your car dealership. So as you see here is going to be URL, just my URL, and here are headlines. As you see, this is the headlines you can use. Actually, you can this one as a vehicle title from your spreadsheet, and this one is description right here. So you can add any other title. You can add price. Right here it shows the price. So also you can get mileage, depending, again, you can add as much as you want. And again, all this it takes from your spreadsheet. So make sure to fill out your spreadsheet thoroughly. And after that, you can also edit your call to action, shop now, you know, learn more, or book now. And pretty much after that, you're just gonna click on confirm, and your campaign will be live and will start running. So guys, this is the pretty much for this video. This is, I took literally from A to Z. It's a little bit long video, but I hope you found some value in this video. And this is how you go out there and create dynamic ads for car dealership. And this is the exact same process for e-commerce, traveling websites, or real estate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed, if you see the value, make sure to share this video with others, because literally there is no such a complete tutorial on YouTube or in Google blog post how to run dynamic ads in this way. So this is a video, so make sure to share with your friends, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and give this video a like, and because then more people will see the video and share the love. So with that being said, guys, this is pretty much for this video. If you want to see more videos like that and tutorials, and don't miss on any other future content about tutorials on Facebook ads and just how to run different ads and online marketing, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in another one.
You ain't never gonna slow me down, 'cause I feel alive now.